Again, we're talking tonight about the city. We're talking tonight about the 8 million people that live in the city. We're talking about democracy. We're talking about the elected officials who supposedly represent our interests. Exactly. But we're also talking about power, and the power that's supposed to vest in all of us. Now, when that power breaks down, it causes tremendous harm. Here's how great public works are supposed to work. They don't send people out. They bring people into the city. There's this term that they use for highways. They're called arterial roads. The very name tells you their intent. An artery takes blood, oxygenated blood, away from the heart. What real public planning, what real public works do is they're not arteries, they're veins. They're veins that return the lifeblood to the city.